In this short, a hands-on set of focus exercises helps students who drift in class stay sharp and confident. An animated guide demonstrates eye tracking by tracing smooth lines across the page, reducing wandering gaze and improving stamina. Line blocking shows blocks of text highlighted as a single unit, encouraging faster saccades and steady packing. Word grouping clusters 3 to 5 words at a time, creating a rhythmic flow that boosts speed without sacrificing understanding. Parents learn simple practices at home, like brief eye warm-ups and timed reading games, supported by engaging voiceovers and visuals.